We are happy to have you all back here at Wealthy Coin. What a shock! The Shiba Inu is in grave danger if they do this. Cleared up. The Shiba Inu's price has begun to fluctuate again. A bullish continuation pattern was broken by the meme coin. It appears to be moving away from this hopeful forecast, which could indicate a negative situation. Will the price of Shiba Inu go up again in October like it did last year? Keep watching to find out. Our topic for this video is shocking. The Shiba Inu is in grave danger if they do this. Cleared up. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Shall we jump right into the video? With a 22% increase in less than 2 days, the Shiba Inu price broke through a bullish pennant on July 18th. A pennant and a flagpole constitute this formal arrangement. The flagpole was formed by the 34% explosive move from June 19th to June 25th for SHIB, and the pennant was generated by the consolidation that followed, which took the shape of lower highs and higher lows. By adding the height of the flagpole to the breakout point at $0.0000116, pattern predicts a 34% increase to $0.0000154 following a flawless breakout at $0.00006 July 18th. SHIB confirmed its bullish perspective with a clean retest of the pennant. Consequently, Shiba Inu's price produced a breakout and surged 14%. A swift reversal of this move sliced through the pennant's body, though, as bearish forces gained control. Even at the most basic level, this action lowers the probability that a breakout will reach its target. It doesn't matter, the possibility remains. Shiba Inu is the altcoin's final chance for a bullish view, as its price is currently retesting the $0.00060.000000011 zone. If the SHIB bulls can hold this level, buyers will have another opportunity to set off a run up to the $0.0000154 for goal. Conversely, buyer weakness will be signaled if the Shiba Inu price falls below the $0.000000106 zone. Closing the daily candlestick below the $0.0001006 would render the bullish thesis null and void, setting in motion a move to $0.0000095.5. A further 22% drop to $0.00083.3 be triggered if this level is broken. Cryptocurrency prices have fallen along with those of many tech stocks and risky assets this year due to the Federal Reserve's quick hikes in the federal funds rate, its benchmark overnight lending rate, in response to soaring inflation. When interest rates rise, safer investments often see their yields rise as well, which hurts riskier assets. Expectant of growth assets' profits and returns, which were once valued at premium levels, it is largely anticipated that the Federal Reserve's rate-selling committee will raise the federal funds rate on Wednesday. However, investors will be observing the Fed's remarks for indications regarding the Fed's outlook on the economy and potential rate hikes for the remainder of the year. The stock market and cryptocurrency prices might be in for some rough times if the Fed were more aggressive. Asset values may react positively, though, if the Federal Reserve is more confident regarding inflation and the economy's future. I expect today to be the calmest day of the upcoming week, though, depending on how things pan out this week. According to a recent research note by Wanda analyst Jeffrey Haley, there are a number of important events coming up this week that could affect the market and cryptocurrency in particular. On Thursday, the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis will release its estimate for GDP growth for the second quarter of the year, which is sure to be a major factor. Following a nearly 7% growth rate in the previous quarter, the United States gross domestic product GDP declined by 1.6% in the first quarter of this year, officially indicating a recession. Earlier this month, Goldman Sachs reduced its second quarter GDP estimates to about 0.7%, which would prevent the United States from technically entering a recession. The majority of major U.S. banks reported robust consumer spending in the second quarter, and the labor market is also doing well. It's hard to tell if the American economy entered a recession or not. The market may perceive the pause as merely the beginning, though, which could spell trouble for assets with a higher degree of uncertainty, such as cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency values could move in either direction in the near future. The market may be led to believe that the Federal Reserve can control inflation and achieve a more accommodating landing if the central bank appears less hawkish and second quarter GDP growth is better than anticipated. While it would be good news for cryptocurrency values, further pessimistic economic data and hawkish remarks can lead to a decline. Shiba Inu has been revived by the prominent Philippine cryptocurrency exchange Coins.ph, which has added it to its list of top 20 cryptocurrencies. Things are looking up for the purported Dogecoin dethroner, which has been struggling to compete with its HumorCoin rival recently, because it was the first blockchain company in Asia to acquire a license to issue electronic money on the EMI-VC virtual currency exchange, the BSP oversees Coins.ph. According to their mission statement, Coins.ph has gained the trust of more than 18 million people and is the most well-known crypto brand in the Philippines. Asian Banker Philippine Awards 2019 also bestowed the title of Best Blockchain or Distributed Ledger Technology or Platform upon Coins.ph. Two big blockchain networks are significant partners with the platform, and the platform uses their infrastructures too. By facilitating more banks, money transfer operations, and payment providers in the Philippines, Ripple and Stellar can meet the needs of their expanding user base. Users are able to pay bills, send money, buy and sell digital currencies, and conduct transactions all through the platform using Bitcoin. Due to this listing, experts evaluated the Shiba Inu price movement and predicted a surge to the bullish 0.0000140 price. With a price target of $0.00140, meme coin has the potential to recoup its losses and start an upswing. Shiba Inu has risen 7.1% in the past week, according to Sunday's CoinGecko statistics, and is now trading at $0.000001180. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu has been listed on other large exchanges recently, including Bitstamp and Robinhood, so this is not its first occurrence. On July 25th, the Shiba Inu team announced the new Shibburn Visa card would be available. The news was announced by Shiba Inu at Shibburn through their Burn Tracker Twitter feed. An orange Visa card bearing the initials SP and the tagline "Make Payments, Burn Shib" were the only visual elements seen in the brief promotional film. The Shiba Inu Burn portal was created in April 2022 by a collaboration between Shiba Inu and Ryoshi Vision. The goal of the webpage is to encourage SHIB holders to destroy their tokens. The plan is for the burners to receive 0.49% of all transactions and Ryoshi tokens as compensation. But the doling out of rewards has been painfully sluggish. Holders of SHIB have been growing frustrated with the reward Ryoshis despite the fact that they burnt through $110 million worth of SHIB in just 24 hours. The Shiba Inu group has also picked up on the annoyance. In its official blog post for Shiba, the group stated, nearly 149.6 million Shiba Inu tokens have been burned and transferred to wallets where they cannot be spent, according to Shibburn. The majority of this, or approximately 87 million SHIB, has been transferred to dead wallets in 12 separate transactions within the past 2 days. A new milestone in the number of Shiba Inu owners was recorded last week by Whale Stats. Friday saw the acquisition of 150 billion Shiba Inu by Blue Whale 0159. Valued at $1,750,500 when the exchange took place. After a day of gains of 1.91%, Shiba Inu was trading at $0.0000176 Sunday. The Shiba Inu coin, which swept 2021, is already a cult classic. After prices rebound from their present macro lows in July of 2022, it has a good probability of making history once again and assisting with your retirement. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.